and my guess is that I believe strongly that the owners know nothing about this, nor the make a call. Whereas now, I think most fans will want to see heads roll. The club would struggle with anything else off the back of this seismic event.
Solon, there will be more. I'm sure. Let's just switch to the tennis. Carlos Alcaraz, the two-time Wimbledon champion, will miss this year's tournament because of an ongoing risk. Fine then, isn't it?
Since he played one match only in his second round match. It wasn't even though he says he's going well and he's still not ready to compete